In today's video, we will be sharing 7 useful tips to help you overcome fear and anxiety. Whether you're dealing with a specific fear or experiencing general anxiety, these tips will provide you with practical strategies to manage and conquer your fears. Tip number 1. Identify and learn about your fear. Understanding the root cause of your fear can help you gain perspective and develop effective coping mechanisms. Take the time to reflect on what triggers your fear and educate yourself about it. Tip number 2. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is crucial when dealing with fear and anxiety. Make sure to prioritize activities that bring you joy and relaxation, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Tip number 3. Develop a support system. Surround yourself with people who understand and support you. Share your fears and anxieties with trusted friends or family members who can provide encouragement and guidance. Remember, you don't have to face your fears alone. Tip number 4. Challenge your negative thoughts. Fear and anxiety often stem from negative thinking patterns. Practice reframing your thoughts and replacing negative self-talk with positive affirmations. This can help you shift your mindset and reduce anxiety. Tip number 5. Take small steps towards facing your fears. Overcoming fear is a gradual process. Start by taking small, manageable steps towards confronting your fears. Celebrate each small victory along the way, as it will build your confidence and resilience. Tip number 6. Seek professional help if needed. If your fear and anxiety are significantly impacting your daily life, don't hesitate to reach out to a mental health professional. They can provide you with the necessary tools and support to overcome your fears. Tip number 7. Practice relaxation techniques. Deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, and guided imagery can help calm your mind and body during moments of fear and anxiety. Incorporate these techniques into your daily routine for maximum benefit. Remember, overcoming fear and anxiety is a journey. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. By implementing these 7 tips, you'll be well on your way to conquering your fears and living a more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who may benefit from these tips. Stay tuned for more helpful content on our channel.